In today's video, I'm going to show you a very common issue that appears in many Ford models. The problem usually starts when multiple warning messages suddenly appear on the dashboard. You might see ABS warnings, ESC faults, parking assist errors, parking sensor malfunctions, or messages like hill start assist not available. Sometimes you'll get just one of these messages, sometimes all of them at once. If you're experiencing any of these warnings, there's a good chance the issue is related to a faulty ABS wheel speed sensor. In my case, the first step is always proper diagnostics. I connect my diagnostic tool and use FORScan to scan the vehicle for fault codes. After running the scan, I can clearly see fault codes pointing to the front right ABS wheel speed sensor. That immediately gives me direction on where to focus. So the next step is replacement. On this 2016 Ford Mondeo MK5, I lift the car, remove the wheel, and gain access to the ABS sensor. The sensor is located on the inner side of the wheel hub and is secured with a single 8mm bolt. I remove the bolt using an 8mm socket. Once the bolt is out, the sensor becomes loose. At this point, I use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Usually, it comes out fairly easily. Next, I disconnect the wiring. The cable is held in place by a plastic retaining clip and two rubber mounts. These are simply push fit, so you carefully pry them loose. Then we move to the electrical connector. The connector is clipped into a bracket and secured with a locking tab. Before disconnecting it, I strongly recommend cleaning the area thoroughly. There's usually a lot of dirt and sand buildup, which makes disconnecting the plug more difficult. After cleaning, you'll notice a red locking tab on the connector. First, you need to slide or pull this red tab outward to unlock it. Once unlocked, you can press the main plastic release tab and disconnect the plug completely. Now the old sensor is fully removed. For replacement, I purchased a budget ABS sensor from eBay, the cheapest available option at the time. We'll see how long it lasts, but for demonstration purposes, it works perfectly fine. The new sensor comes with a small metal bracket, but I decided not to use it. The original bracket on the vehicle is in very good condition, and it's much easier to reuse it rather than removing and reinstalling the mounting hardware. Installation is simply the reverse process. First, I connect the electrical plug and ensure it clicks securely into place. Then I mount the new ABS sensor into the hub and tighten the 8mm bolt to the correct torque, snug but not over-tightened. Next, I secure the cable back into its original mounting points and clips. Once everything is properly routed and secured, I reinstall the wheel and tighten the wheel bolts. Now it's time to test. I switch the ignition on and observe the dashboard. All warning messages are gone. No ABS faults, no ESC warnings, no hill start assist errors. Everything looks good. As a final step, I reconnect FORScan, read the fault codes again, and clear any stored errors. After resetting, the system shows a clean fault list and no codes return. That confirms the repair was successful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you diagnose and fix your Ford.